Environmental issues are high on the agenda for most hotels and restaurants, with businesses working towards efficient and economical solutions for energy use. With ever-tightening legislation, heating, ventilating and air conditioning company Daikin UK offers support to provide the most energy-efficient solutions and minimise the environmental impact of our buildings. Carolyn Sim found out more.
At the Bloomsbury Hotel in London, the comfort of guests is paramount. Room temperature, lighting, hot water and cold drinks, it all has to be right. But energy consumption and bills can be high as a result. And building regulations now require hotels to use energy more efficiently. The cost of carbon allowances is also raised by just over a third this year. So the big question for building managers is how to improve energy efficiency when the needs of modern buildings are so complex. Daikin believes the answer lies in heat recovery.
Within many air conditioning systems, they're very much built in a standalone way. So you have the air conditioning, the ventilation, the refrigeration, the hot water, all separately designed. But with Daikin systems, all of those are integrated together, so any waste heat from one area is able to be used in another area. For example, in refrigeration, when the heat is extracted from the food to cool it down, we take that heat and we use that to heat hot water.
Daikin's integrated heat recovery system has recently been installed at the Grade 2 listed Bloomsbury Hotel. With the ban on R22 refrigerants coming into effect in January 2015, the hotel decided to upgrade the whole system. The project, which took 8 months, was carefully planned and caused minimum disruption.
The system is more efficient. It's certainly quieter than the old system. Our energy bills, depending on the month, are somewhere between 23 and 26% lower than for the same period last year when we hadn't changed the system. Obviously, the air conditioning is responsible for about 70% of that total energy consumption. So in effect, our guideline was to achieve a 30% saving by installing the air conditioning system, and we're probably beating that now.
Room temperature can now be controlled by staff, optimising heating, cooling and ventilation levels.
Its modularity helped us achieve a smooth changeover from the old equipment to the new equipment, and the client achieved his minimum disruption with minimal room revenue losses.
And now work at another hotel in the group, the Kensington, is nearly finished.
They say it's a lot more efficient. They say the rooms obviously will heat up and cool a lot quicker. Also, the controllers are much easier to use. So from a guest experience, it's creating a very positive response, which is obviously ultimately what we want.
And Daikin's systems are being installed using the existing pipework.
When you have such beautiful decor, the last thing you want is the disruption of having to remove ceilings to access existing pipework. To be able to use all that and just change things on the outside of the building, maybe the roof or the plant space, means that not only do you save money in terms of the installation time, but also you save the hotel money. They don't have to be shutting off bedrooms for the replacement to be done.
Daikin believes its air conditioning systems save money, reducing energy bills and carbon emissions by around 30%. An opportunity, it says, that no company can afford to waste.